Hi, this is Roger Campbell of BETE Technical Sales. I'm here today to discuss how to effectively clean tanker trucks and rail cars. BETE tank cleaning nozzles maximize the efficiency of cleaning tanks and equipment by ensuring proper distribution of the cleaning media and maximizing the impact of available flow rate and pressure of the system. They save significant time and money over cleaning options such as fill and drain or other manual cleaning, especially in hazardous environments. Tank cleaning nozzles are typically mounted inside vertically shaped vessels, where the rule of thumb is to position the tank washing nozzle in the upper third of the tank. The concentration of the spray is directed at the center and cascades down to clean the surface areas inside the tank with effective spray impact and rinsing action. However, for horizontal tanks, such as tanker trucks or rail cars, they are more especially challenging to clean, especially if the nozzle is installed vertically. When the spray is concentrated at the center of the tank, the spray cannot as effectively or efficiently reach the end of the bulkheads, thus causing a risk of bacteria buildup or contamination. BETE's tank cleaning mounting adapter positions the BETE HydroWhirl Orbitor, our recommended tank cleaning machine for tanker trucks and rail cars, in a horizontal orientation. This optimizes the spray pattern direction, cleaning the hard-to-reach bulkheads repeatedly with the 360 degrees of high-impact spray coverage. Benefits from positioning the tank cleaning nozzle horizontally in a tanker truck or rail car include, but not limited to, 1. Reducing the cycle time of cleaning by up to 50%. Secondly, you're going to consume less water. You're minimizing effluent discharge. And finally, because the pump is running less, you have a reduction in utility costs. At the end of the day, we're eliminating also the need for manual cleaning, which improves worker safety. Please contact BETE Application Engineering Department for support in selecting your optimal tank cleaning solution. And thank you for your time.